Our home is on the east end of Oneida Lake, facing down the full length of the lake. Winds typically come from the other end in this direction. Bobby and I have been here now for 22 years, and only once in that 22-year period has the water come up over this gap at our seawall and flooded under the house. There's a lot of concern in the media right now about the water level in the lake, about the snow melt and the rain and all the water flowing into the lake from Fish Creek and Oneida Creek and all the other tributaries feeding into the lake. And according to some reports, they have closed the dam at the other end of the lake, so the lake will just continue to rise. I can only assume that they closed the dam at the other end to try and mitigate flooding at the other end. So I'm going to monitor our property along the east end of the lake to try and provide information or help, guidance for some people. Look down this way.